Hey, somebody in your family asked you, why am I learning so much of mathematics? Or why did you learn? Where did you actually put to use? And you had a challenge to answer it? I can understand. And the same is in the industry as well. But imagine if you were tasked with a critical consulting assignment for a struggling company. The management is grappling with the declining turnover and profitability, and the future looks bleak. How that would sound for you? How would you solve it? Yeah, through use of power of data analytics. You will unearth the hidden patterns in their operations. You identify their inefficiencies, probably in the supply chain, excess overhead costs, and the area where the resources are misallocated. Armed with this data-driven knowledge, you present a comprehensive strategy to optimize their operations. You recommend an included streamlining process, reducing their cost and relocating their resources. The result were nothing short of spectacular. The company experienced a remarkable turnaround, achieved unprecedented levels of turnover and profitability. Your data-backed insights not only won your clients' trust, but also secured future business opportunities. Hey, how does that look like? This case study illustrates the immense power of data analytics in consulting world. It showcases how the right data can transform the business and lead to enduring success. Hello and welcome to another enlightening episode of Consulting Business Podcast. I'm your host Vishwa Mohan, and today we are diving deep into this topic of transforming the consulting landscape, data dynamo, utilizing data analytics in your consulting practice. Data analytics has become an indispensable tool for consultants. It empowers us to make informed decisions, uncover insights, and drive positive change in our client's business. And as you saw just in the example here, it can help a struggling company and the management to overcome its turnover issues, profitability, and come clean on the other side. Now let's delve into three compelling reasons why utilizing data analytics in your consulting practice is essential. First, it enables data-driven decisions. With the right data analytics tools, you can rely on the facts and evidences, reducing the risk of subjectivity and biased decisions. Second, it enhances clients' trust. Clients value consultants who can provide data-driven decisions. It instills confidence and credibility in your recommendation. Third, it fosters continuous improvement. Data analytics allow you to monitor progress, identify your area for refinement, and iterate on your strategies for the ongoing success. Now, let's explore 6 strategies to build data analytics in your consulting practice, setting you on the path to financial freedom. Ready? Strategy 1 is skill development. Invest in acquiring data analytics skills. Familiar yourself with the tools, and more importantly, learn the art of first principle, where you feel about the numbers, what you're communicating, and ensure that you master this art. There are multiple tools like Excel, Power BI, advanced programs like Tableau or Python, but more importantly is to believe in the approach of skilling yourself in the data analytics area if you want to be a successful consulting professional. Strategy 2 is data gathering. Collect relevant data from various sources. The quality and quantity of data you have access to can significantly impact the insights you generate. And strategy 3 is data visualization. Learn to effectively communicate data insights through visualization. Compelling charts and graphs can make complex information digestible. Strategy 4 is hypothesis testing. Develop the ability to form hypotheses and test them rigorously using data. This data analytic approach can uncover valuable insights. Strategy 5 is client education. Educate your clients about the power of analytics and help them understand the value it can bring to decision making. And the more informed your clients are, the more it will help you to make unbiased decisions, and they will be more open to disclose the data that they have in order to make a prudent judgment of the case that you're handling. Strategy 6, ongoing learning. Stay updated with the latest developments in data analytics. The field is constantly evolving, and continuous learning is essential. As consultants, we understand that we are paid for our knowledge, expertise, and this comes by investing in ourselves. So, to further enhance your data analytics skills, consider joining my upcoming 6-day workshop, the Consulting Case Challenge. In this workshop, we'll immerse inside the real-world problem-solving scenarios, sharpen our analytical abilities. As we wrap up today's episode, remember that data analytics is a game changer in the consulting world. It empowers you to make informed decisions, drive positive change, and secure a path to financial freedom. Thank you for joining me in the eConsulting Business Podcast. I hope you are inspired to embark on the journey as a data dynamo, harnessing the power of analytics to transform businesses and lives. Join me in my next episode as we explore more insights on online consulting and your path to financial freedom. Until then, keep analyzing, keep growing, and keep consulting with impact. Cheers, God bless, signing off, Wish for more.